This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Josie Jean Charles. This is a Pinnacle floor plan by Pulte in Estero's premier 55+ community. 3 Bds Den, 3 baths and 3-car garage with epoxy floor treatment. This residence is like new. Impact rated windows and Lanai 0 corner pocket sliders, custom front door with impact rated glass, heated pool and an above ground hot tub. A very desirable whole house generator is in place for peace of mind. Quartz surfaces throughout the kitchen area with an extended island, built-in stainless steel appliances, natural gas for cooking, for the water heater and for the pool. Oversized master walk-in closet, screened lanai with storm mesh shutters which double as sunshades for the covered area of the lanai, no CDD. Tidewater by Webb boasts an award-winning 13,000 square feet. Amenity center with fitness center, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis, a resort-style pool and more. This active community offers the perfect location in Estero. Close to RSW Airport, Miromar Outlets, Hertz Arena, Coconut Point Mall, I-75, and a short drive to our renowned sandy beaches of SWFL. What are you waiting for? For more information, review the details below or contact Josie Jean Charles at 239-659-4200.